Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes.
Welcome to my channel. I'm Mary the Share Lady, and if you're clicking on this channel for the first time, do feel much welcome. Thank you so much to the returning viewers. Thank you guys. Yeah, so just from the title of this video guys, today it's all about cleaning. Yeah, so I just want to do some cleaning on the outside. Yeah, so since we moved here a couple of weeks ago, I've not had the chance to clean the windows. As you can see here, they're a bit dusty, and I just want to focus on this today. Yeah, so today I'm the last one to wake up. Actually, it's the good smell that is coming from the kitchen that has woken me up. Yeah, so here is the breakfast that my husband has prepared. Yeah, so also here is omelette. Actually, I think it's the smell of this one that has woken me up.
Bwana chef, si useme kitu, uambie watu kitu. Utawaambia nini? Or they have a Merry Christmas. So watu mmesikia, utaambia watu nini? What do you tell people, Daisy? Utawaambia Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, that is great.
Yeah, so before I grab breakfast, I've thought to just put a load to wash.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes. Laughing with my friends under the sky. Following our hearts, so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to.
Yeah, so I've actually been postponing to clean the soap dispenser here. As you can see, it's not looking good at all.
Get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it.
Yeah, I will also clean this inside part here. As you can see, it's evident that it needs some cleaning.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars and my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, next to you.
Yeah, so without pausing, I'm washing the inside part next, and here I'm using warm water.
Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me.
So yes guys, the soap dispenser can't be cleaned as well, I think, for most of our washing machines.
You took the pain away, didn't mind my
Yeah, so you can see how clean it has become. And I'm just going to plug it back in to continue with the washing.
again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you.
Yeah, so today it's sunny, very sunny, and I felt it was the perfect day to do the window cleaning.
Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars and my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm
Yeah, so for the soap I'm using some liquid dish soap and a little bit of powder soap. Yeah, so that is what I'll be using to clean the windows.
Last night, I saw your arms around somebody. I never thought it'd be so hard, yeah. Even
Yeah, so do enjoy the music guys as we get to through the cleaning. Yeah, I also do hope that you're going to get some motivation from this as well. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about today's video. Also give me a thumbs up, it will really help my channel to grow. Also remember to subscribe so that you get notified every time I get to upload a new video.
no, I'm the one that broke us apart, yeah. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. Come back to me.
Yeah, so a hosepipe would have been better in this case, but the one I have is not long enough to get all the way here. Yeah, so window number 1 is done cleaning. That was the master bedroom's window, and the next one is the window for that living room. Yeah, so this is what we are cleaning next.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound.
Yeah, so because the windows are a bit high up, we decided to use the floor cleaning mop, and for sure it's doing the work.
No good for me, yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me, yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me, yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me, yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me, yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me, yeah.
Yeah, so basically here we are repeating the same way we cleaned the first window.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me, yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me, yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me, yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me, yeah. Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts, so then we take a ride wherever. I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces falling. I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
Yeah, so I had put some plants over here just to add, some character, some, just beauty. But then later on I realized that it was not working for the plants because there's too much sunlight on this side. So I ended up putting the plants back in the backyard.
Tied to my fingers and numb. I always try to let my spirit fly,
Yeah, so the windows are all clean, all ready for the new year. And I know guys, it does not look much from your side, but trust me, they look much different. And actually it's a relief for me as well, knowing now that that is done. I have actually been postponing on that because I had other things that I have been doing, but I'm glad that I'm finally able to do this. And now we are going to transition to the new year with new windows. Yeah, truly that means a lot to me, by the way. Yeah, so yeah, if you've gotten some motivation guys, yeah, tell me down there in the comment section. And also clean your windows. Don't let the dust, this year's dust, get to the next year. Yeah, so just make sure that you clean your windows before we get to the new year. And that marks the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end, for stopping by and for watching this video. Until the next one guys, bye bye. I'll be seeing you on the next video.